What are your financial dreams? We all have them, don't we? But sometimes they feel a tad out of reach. Today, we're here to discuss a concept that might help bring those dreams a little closer: the magic of compounding. Regardless of the size of your wallet, compounding can help you build substantial wealth over time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a proven financial principle that thrives on patience and consistency. Are you ready to explore the magic of compounding? Let's dive into what compounding is all about. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it descends, it gathers more and more snow, growing larger with each revolution. This is the essence of compounding. It's the process where the returns on an investment generate their own returns over time. Consider you have $100 and it grows by 10% each year. The first year you'll earn $10. But the second year you're not just earning on the initial 100 but also on the $10 you gain. So you earn $11, not 10. This might seem like a small difference, but over time it adds up, creating a snowball effect. This is why Albert Einstein famously called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. It's like a silent partner working behind the scenes, helping you build wealth over time. Compounding is your silent partner in wealth creation. You don't need a fortune to start building one. Let's debunk a common myth. You don't need to be wealthy to start investing. It's quite the contrary. In fact, you can start with as little as you have right now. The key is to start small and let the magic of compounding do the rest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts off small, but as it rolls down, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. That's how compounding works. Your initial investment might be small, but as it earns returns, and those returns earn their own returns, your investment grows exponentially over time. So whether it's $10, $100, or $1,000, don't wait. Start now. Remember, it's not about the size of the initial investment, it's about the time it has to grow. Every journey to wealth starts with a single step. Consistency is key in the game of wealth creation. Just as a steady stream eventually carves a deep path through a mountain, regular contributions to your investment accounts can carve a path to substantial wealth. This isn't about making a one-time deposit and hoping for the best. It's about committing to a consistent strategy of regular investments regardless of market fluctuations. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. With each rotation, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster. Your investment account works in much the same way. Each contribution you make is like adding more snow to the snowball. And thanks to the power of compounding, each contribution doesn't just add to your account, it multiplies. But remember, it's not just about the amount you contribute, but also the frequency. The more often you contribute, the faster and larger your investment snowball grows. Regular contributions are the fuel for your compounding engine. Reinvesting earnings, the secret sauce of compounding. This is where the magic of compounding really comes to life. When you earn a return on your investment, you have two choices. You can either take that profit and spend it, or you can reinvest it. When you choose to reinvest, you're essentially putting your earnings back to work, allowing them to generate even more earnings. It's like a snowball effect. The more you roll the snowball, the bigger it gets. The more earnings you reinvest, the larger your investment grows. And this growth isn't linear, it's exponential. Over time, the impact of reinvesting earnings can be staggering. Imagine a snowball turning into a snow boulder. That's the power of reinvesting earnings. This strategy accelerates the compounding process, supercharging your wealth-building journey. So when you earn, don't just spend, reinvest. Reinvesting earnings is like adding rocket fuel to your wealth-building journey. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This old adage holds a profound truth when it comes to investing. Diversification, or spreading your investments across a variety of assets, is a powerful tool in managing risk. It's the investing equivalent of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Think of it like this: if you're only invested in one company and that company fails, you could lose everything. But if you're invested in 100 companies, the failure of one has a much smaller impact. You're spreading the risk, and in the process creating a safety net for your investments. In the unpredictable world of investing, diversification is your shield against volatility. It can help protect your assets during market downturns and enhance potential returns when the market is on the upswing. Remember, diversification isn't about making a quick fortune, but about staying in the game for the long haul. Diversification, your safety net in the world of investing. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Patience is not just a virtue, it's a wealth-building strategy. In the world of investing, patience and long-term planning often make the difference between success and failure. It's about understanding that wealth isn't built overnight, but over decades of disciplined investing. It's about resisting the temptation to cash in when the markets soar or panic when they plunge. Instead, it's about staying the course, keeping an eye on your long-term financial goals, and not being swayed by short-term market fluctuations. It's like planting a tree. You sow the seed, water it, and then wait. It might take years for the tree to bear fruit, but when it does, the wait is worth it. Similarly, your investments need time to grow and compound. The longer you stay invested, the larger your wealth grows, thanks to the magic of compounding. Make the taxman your ally. Now that's a phrase you don't hear often, right? But there's wisdom in it. When it comes to compounding wealth, tax-advantaged accounts can be your secret weapon. You see, these accounts, like individual retirement accounts or health savings accounts in the United States, allow your investments to grow tax-free or defer taxes until a later date. This means more of your money stays invested and continues to compound over time. It's like having a supercharger on your compounding engine. The power of compounding is already impressive, but when you add tax advantages into the mix, it's like adding fuel to the fire. Remember, every dollar saved in taxes is another dollar working for you, compounding over time, and over the long term, this can make a significant difference in the size of your investment portfolio. So, consider leveraging tax-advantaged accounts as part of your investment strategy. Smart tax planning can turbocharge your compounding engine. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to investing. The financial world is a dynamic ecosystem, constantly evolving with new trends, strategies, and opportunities. It's like a vast ocean, with currents that change direction without warning. To navigate these waters, you must keep your knowledge up to date. Investing is not a one-time event, but a continual process that requires ongoing education. It's about understanding economic indicators, market trends, and the performance of different sectors. It's about learning from the past, observing the present, and anticipating the future. So how do you go about this continuous learning? Read books, attend seminars, follow financial news, and engage with online investment communities. More importantly, learn from your own investment experiences. Each decision, each outcome is a lesson in itself. Remember, the most successful investors are those who are always learning, always growing. They understand that every day brings a new opportunity to learn something new. Never stop learning, because the financial world never stops evolving. Your mind can be your biggest ally or your worst enemy in wealth creation. When it comes to investing, psychological barriers often stand between us and our financial goals. Fear, for instance, can deter us from taking calculated risks, while greed can make us chase unrealistic returns. The key to overcoming these barriers is self-awareness. Recognize your emotions and understand how they impact your financial decisions. Are you avoiding investments because of the fear of loss? Or perhaps you're overly optimistic, ignoring potential risks. Once you identify these tendencies, you can take steps to manage them. Consider seeking advice from financial advisors, or leveraging automated investing platforms to mitigate emotional influence. Regularly review your investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your long-term goals and not transient feelings. Remember, it's perfectly normal to experience these psychological barriers. The important thing is not to let them control your financial journey. Master your mind and you'll master your money. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now. So what are some practical steps you can take today to start leveraging the power of compounding? Firstly, identify a sum of money that you can afford to invest. It doesn't have to be a large amount. The magic of compounding works even with small contributions. Next, explore investment options. Consider a diverse mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversification can help manage the risk. Then make a commitment to regularly contribute to your investments. This could be monthly, quarterly, or annually, whatever suits your financial situation. Reinvest your earnings. This is where the compounding magic really comes into play. The returns you earn are reinvested, and they too start earning returns. Finally, be patient. Compounding is a long-term game. It takes time to see the effects, but when they kick in, they're truly remarkable. Start today and let the magic of compounding do the rest. Success leaves clues. Now let's delve into the real-life success stories of individuals who have harnessed the power of compounding to build considerable wealth. Take the story of Grace Groner, a humble secretary from Illinois. Grace lived a frugal life, but in 1935, she made a single investment in her employer's company, Abbott Laboratories. By the time of her passing in 2010, that investment had compounded to an astounding $7 million. Then there's the story of Ronald Reed, a Vermont-based janitor and gas station attendant. Known for his thrifty lifestyle, Ronald accumulated a fortune of $8 million through compounding, surprising everyone when he left it to his local library and hospital upon his death. These stories are proof that the magic of compounding isn't reserved for Wall Street wizards. It's available to us all, regardless of our starting point. If they can do it, so can you. The only constant in life is change. This truth applies to your investment strategy as well. As you journey through life, your financial circumstances and goals will shift. Perhaps you've received a significant raise, or maybe you've just welcomed a new member to your family. These changes could necessitate a re-evaluation of your investment approach. Regularly reviewing your strategy is crucial. It's about ensuring your investments align with your current financial situation and objectives. It's not about chasing the market trends or panicking over short-term fluctuations. Remember, we're in it for the long haul. Adjustments might involve increasing your contributions, diversifying into new asset classes, or maybe shifting towards more conservative investments as you near retirement. It's all about balance and staying true to your financial goals. So don't be rigid. Embrace change. Monitor your investments, review your strategy, and make adjustments when necessary. Stay flexible and adapt your strategy as needed. Wealth creation is not a secret. It's a system. Now it's time to take those practical steps, inspired by real-life success stories, and start building your wealth today. Keep reviewing and adjusting your strategy. Because after all, remember, the magic of compounding is in your hands. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.